Want to know my secret to staying youthful and glowing? In today's video, I'm reviewing the Collagen Co's Strawberry Milkshake Collagen Meal Replacement and Protein Shaker. Good morning everyone. How are you? Hello to all of my shady babies, and I would like to say welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you are a frequent here, I am the Shady Thrifter, and on this channel we talk all things thrifted, fashion, and just everything. We can talk about anything on this channel. This is a channel of peace and prosperity, and I just want to say, if you are new here, welcome. I am happy to have you guys here, but let's just stop all this rambling and let's just get into the video. I'm so excited for this video because I have something super exciting to share with you guys. You guys don't want to miss this video. Yeah, but guys, I have been getting so many compliments on my videos, people asking me like, what is my skin routine? You know, like, how are you glowing at your big age? Y'all, I am 51 years old. I will be 52 in less than 6 months. And I just came here today to let you guys in on a little secret. But before I let you in on that secret, I first want to share with you this beautiful dress that I'm wearing. Guys, I am about to go to work, and I figured the best time to do this video would be in the morning before I leave out for work, because that is the time when I do my collagen shakes and, you know, my breakfast routine, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. But remember, this is a thrifted page, and this is the page mostly about thrifting, of course, the Shady Thrifter. So I wanted to keep the focus on thrifting. I don't want to fall off with doing these reviews, but I first wanted to show you guys this beautiful dress that I'm wearing. Y'all, look at this dress. Like, this dress is freaking amazing. I thrifted this dress from a thrift store here near my house. Y'all won't believe the name, who the brand maker of this dress. This is a very expensive dress. It still has the tags on it from the real, okay? The maker of this dress is Ulla Johnson, and as I said, I thrifted this dress for, I think, $11. It was, well, pre-owned with the tags on it. The tags say the real, and I was super excited to get this dress. As I said, you guys can see from the pictures, it is simply beautiful, and this just goes to show you that you can get amazing pieces at the thrift store. Very expensive pieces. I believe this dress was no more than $11.99. So a win is a win. Today's video, I am partnering with the Collagen Company. They have sponsored this video, and today's video is going to be on their collagen protein shake. Let me just show you what they sent me. So it's the Collagen Glow Milkshake, and it's a meal replacement. They sent me this package, and actually I will show you guys the full package. This is so cute. I mean, it's pink, so it's already cute, y'all. And if you want to stay cute, then you gotta buy stuff that is pink and girly and beautiful, like the Collagen Company's products. But anyway, back to the product review. So this is a Collagen Glow Shake Premium Collagen Meal Replacement. It's the Strawberry Milkshake. This provides weight management. It boosts your metabolism, glowing skin and hair, increased energy and focus. It has 17,500 milligrams of collagen peptide per serving. So that's a lot. This thing it has 23 grams of protein, it's smooth and creamy texture, it's less than 1 gram of sugar, it has MCT oil, gluten, soy, and stevia free. And that is important to me because stevia makes me have extremely horrible headaches, migraines. So that is a big bonus and plus for me. And then it has 5 grams of probiotic fiber. So that is great for gut health. It reduces cellulite and wrinkles. It promotes thicker and healthier hair. It supports healthy gut, increased energy and focus, which I definitely need in the morning before I head out to the office, because sometimes with menopause, I suffer from like brain fog. And so I'm excited about this. Guys, I used to have severe acne growing up, like extremely severe acne. And a lot of it was caused by me, like ruining the pH balance in my skin and applying so many different over-the-counter products. The dermatologist will give me all kinds of prescriptions for benzol, all kinds of stuff, and it was just ruining the pH balance in my skin. And therefore I stopped and I started working on my skin from the inside out, which means they have so many different milkshakes and shakes. They have the Beauty Marine Collagen, which is this one. They just have so many, guys. They have Collagen Dream, which is to help you sleep. I'm so excited, but the one that I'm going to review for you today is this one here, and that is the Strawberry Collagen Shake. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay guys, so I failed to mention, they also sent me this cute little shaker that I can mix the milkshake in. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. And when I take it out, it comes like this. That is, man, the marketing on this is so adorable. I am so excited. So I will go ahead, take this off, and I will lower the camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so the instructions say that I need to, it says add 2 scoops, blend or shake well, and enjoy. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this cute little tag off of here. Take this out. It has a cute little mixer ball. Okay. Put that in here. I'm going to rinse everything out. To open my Collagen Glow Shake. I'm so excited. Okay. Woo. I got this thing sealed. So you gotta find 32 ounces. So I would think that it would be, you fill this thing up to, I would think it would be like the top. Me personally, I like ice, so let me just grab some. Well, maybe I'll do the ice last. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops of this in here. 1, 2. All right. Set that to the side. Ooh, smells so good. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna grab some water. My water. Now I'm going to shake, 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 shake your booty, hey, shake your booty, hey. Ooh, look at that pink. Oh yeah, those strawberries are popping. Okay guys, so now I'm going to pour this into my little cuppy, my glass, and honestly I like ice, so let me grab some ice. Okay, I have ice. Now I'm going to pour. Ooh, it looks so good. Okay guys, time for the taste test. Ooh. This is good. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. This is really great. Guys, go to the collagen company and grab your preferred collagen drink. Let me tell you, one of the things about this company, they are completely committed to quality and results. And for you guys, my shady babies, the Collagen Co has given me a free express shipping link for you guys, special exclusive for my shady babies. You can get free express shipping, therefore you don't have to pay for express shipping and you can get your products right away. But I highly recommend this drink. Guys, this is a game changer. This is how you get glowing skin from the inside out. What are you waiting for? Are you not wanting to glow up? Like, the glow up is real. Head over to the Collagen Co website and grab your glow up. You got such a range of milkshakes and products to choose from. The shipping again is free, and if you use the link below, you get express shipping. Guys, I'm not giving you the tea, I'm giving you the shake. I'm giving you the shake, baby. The shake is way thicker than the tea. And so, go get your glow up and tell them that your girl Shady sent you. But anyway, thank you guys for waking up with me and having a great morning with me. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube. Thank you to the Collagen Company for sponsoring this video and sending me this delicious strawberry milkshake that I cannot stop drinking. It is so good. And guys, if you like what you are seeing on my channel, please hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. I would love to have you here on a weekly basis to share in the excitement and fun. I guarantee you there is so much more where this came from. And until I see you guys again, I would like to say have a wonderful, blessed day, week, month, year. And yeah, all right, bye.